Okay, so today we're going to pick out a new batch of rocks to tumble. This is all quartz from Hogg Mine, rose, smoky, white quartz, and then this white quartz that has these little lines through it. These are really cool, and this is what we're going to try running. So we're just going to go ahead and pick out some quartz and figure out from there. Hopefully some pieces that won't break. It's actually a piece of rose. In there. Small piece of smoky. I'll pick out ones I don't have to massage or won't have that one cracked. So that's probably a good piece. That piece. I want to get some smoky in there. I like the smoky quartz. Do some small pieces, get some bigger pieces. See a piece right here. That might get destroyed, but whatever. Do some of this stuff with the lines through it, just because it's really cool. Nice. Some of these pieces are clear like glass. That's a piece. I like that piece too. I already got a batch of, and that other barrel is a batch of rose quartz. I'm probably not gonna throw your rose quartz in here. Piece here. Nice piece. I'll throw a piece of rose in there too, just for the fun of it. I eventually see this orange stuff where there's mineral staining. It's probably just white quartz with the ground on it. Let's just throw a couple pieces in there just for fun. Just see what it looks like. Some of this white is really super clear. We can find some small pieces here. That's kind of milky white. That's cool. I wouldn't be surprised if some of this stuff fractures. About two. That's a neat piece. Small piece like that. Actually looks like a piece of smoky, but that's smoky quartz. Okay. Flat white. Yeah, that's probably it. I don't want to throw one more piece of in there just for fun. Okay, I've selected my rocks. I got a nice selection of white and rose and some smoky quartz and some with the lines through it. So we're going to use 60 grit. I'm going to put 4 tablespoons in there. 4 tablespoons. Some water in there. Just about to the rock line. Right about right there is pretty good. You can see that quartz is pretty clear. Alright, let's put this back together. Okay, stir it up a little bit. Yep, this is gonna work. 2 there, number 1 here, and we plug her in. And it's a tumbling. So now we'll come back in a week and see what it looks like.